In question 8 of this exercise, the problem statement says ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral as shown in this figure. Find the angles of this cyclic quadrilateral, and the angles are given in terms of the variables x and y. So for example, A is equal to 4y plus 20 degrees, B is equal to 3y minus 5 degrees, C is equal to minus 4x degrees, and D is equal to minus 7x plus 5 degrees. Now, the key idea or the key piece of information in this question is that ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral, and the special property of cyclic quadrilaterals is that their opposite angles are supplementary. So in any cyclic quadrilateral, the opposite angles are supplementary, which means that their sum is equal to 180 degrees. So using this fact, we have angle A plus angle C is equal to 180 degrees, and that means that 4y plus 20, so 4y plus 20, which is angle A, and then minus 4x, which is angle C, this should be equal to 180. And let's simplify this. So we get 4y minus 4x equal to 160, 180 minus 20, and let's actually cancel out the common factor of 4. So we get y minus x is equal to 40. So this is the first equation we get in x and y. Now let's use the fact that the second pair of opposite angles is also supplementary, angle B and angle D. So we have angle B plus angle D. This is also equal to 180 degrees, and this means that 3y minus 5, which is angle B, and then minus 7x plus 5, which is the measure of angle D, this is equal to 180, or 3y minus 7x, and the minus 5 terms cancel out, so we have this is equal to 180. So now we have two equations in x and y, two linear equations. So let's call this 1 and let's call this equation 2. And I will solve this pair of equations using elimination. So I have the coefficient of y as 1 in the first equation and 3 in the second equation. So let's multiply the first equation by 3. So let's multiply the first equation by 3. So that will turn it into 3y minus 3x equal to 120. And let's call this equation 3. And then equation 2, let me rewrite it here. 3y minus 7x is equal to 180. This is equation 2. Now if I subtract these two equations, the y term will get eliminated. So let me do 3 minus 2. So what will I get if I do 3 minus 2? So on the LHS I will get minus 3x and then minus 7x or plus 7x, and on the RHS I will get 120 minus 180, which is minus 60. So this means that 4x is equal to minus 60, or x is equal to minus 15. Okay, so x is equal to minus 15, and now let's substitute this value of x into equation 1. So we get y minus x is equal to 40, or y is equal to x plus 40, or x is minus 15, so x plus 40 is 25. So x is equal to minus 15 and y is equal to 25. Now let's use this to write the measure of each angle. So angle A is equal to 4y plus 20. 4y is 100. So 4y plus 20 is 120. So angle A is 120 degrees. Then angle B is 3y minus 5. 3y is 75. So 75 minus 5 is 70. So angle B is 70 degrees. 70 degrees. Then angle C is minus 4x. Now x is equal to minus 15. So minus 4x is 60. So the angle C is 60 degrees. And then angle D is minus 7x plus 5. Now minus 7x will be 105. Minus 7 times minus 15. So 105. And 105 plus 5 is 110. So angle D is 110. So the answer to this question is the angles of the cyclic quadrilateral are 120 degree, 70 degree, 60 degree and 110 degree. And we can verify that the opposite pairs of angles are, both of these pairs are actually supplementary. 120 plus 60 is 180 and 70 plus 110 is also 180. With that, question 8 of this exercise is done.
Hi students, being good at math is super important because it helps you do well at school, but more importantly, it opens the doors for you to the most awesome careers of the future. Having taught thousands of students, I can confidently say that every student can really excel at math, including you. So I've created something special to help you become a master of math. Go to qmat.com/leap to find out more. I'll see you there.